Hey, let's make a video of this handout we did today. Differences of squares. Okay, express each term in the form of a quantity square. Let me grab my pen here. So we want a quantity square. So 9 is 3 squared. 64 is 8 squared. 36 is 6 squared. 16x squared is a 4 and an x squared. 81x squared, 9x squared. 100y squared, 10y squared. A fraction. Take the square root of the top, which should be 1, the square root of the bottom, which is 2, 1/2 squared. 25 is 5x y squared. X to the 4th is x squared squared. When you have powers, take half of the power. Square root of 4/3 is 2/3, or 4/9 is 2/3. X squared. Square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x to the 16th is x to the 8th. Take half of the power. The reason that's true is because x to the 8th times x to the 8th is x to the 16th. You were taught to add powers. 9 will be 3, x to the 3rd, y to the 4th squared. Which of the following are differences of squares? This first one is, because it's an x times an x and a 2 times a 2, and we have a difference right there. This one is x times x, 6 times 6, and a difference. This one is not. We do not have a difference. This one is not. 35 is not a perfect square, and this one is not. Plus 50 is not a perfect square. Factor these. We're going to be using this pattern right here where we create conjugates. X squared will be x here and here. 16 will be minus 4 and plus 4. Minus 16 means the signs will have to be different, and because these are the same numbers but just different signs, they cancel, so you have no middle term here. X minus 7, x plus 7, x minus 5, x plus 5. I usually put the minus first, but it doesn't matter. X minus 9, x plus 9. X minus 1, x plus 1. X minus 10, x plus 10. X minus 8, x plus 8. X minus 17, use your square root button, x plus 17. 4x squared. To do that, we'll do a 2x front and front. 2x front and front. Minus 5 plus 5. 9x squared. 3x front and front. Minus 8. 3x plus 8. 25x squared. 5x minus 6. 5x plus 6. 16x squared. 4x minus 5. 4x plus 5. Letter second, that's okay. 9 minus x, 9 plus x. 8 minus 5x, 8 plus 5x. 5 minus x, 5 plus x. 1 minus x, 1 plus x. 10 minus 7x, 10 plus 7x. 1 minus 8x, 1 plus 8x. 1 minus 3x, 1 plus 3x. 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5. 12x minus 13. Use that square root button. 12x plus 13. I bet you knew that one already. 10x minus 11. 10x plus 11. X minus 14. X plus 14. 6 6x minus 25, 6x plus 25. Don't let the fractions scare you. You'll take the square root of the 1, which would be 1, the square root of the 4, which would be 2. X minus 1/2, x plus 1/2. X minus 2/3, x plus 2/3. X minus 3/4, x plus 3/4. That's not a quarter. Erase that. (3x), that's the 9x squared, 3x and 3x, minus 8/5, and 3x plus 8/5. There we go. It's a pattern. Clean your room. I bet it smells. Have a nice day.